Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I'm working on my tube tester. This is a Hickok 752A. I've already replaced two of the caps in this tester. Now I'm about to replace the 50 microfarad capacitor, this one, and the 8 microfarad capacitor right here. I have the new caps. This is the 8 microfarad capacitor placement and a packet of the 50 microfarad capacitors. And so when I come back, next video will show that I've replaced these old caps here, and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.